Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the Tech Tutorial channel. Today, we are diving into PowerPoint Mastery for Beginners Easy Step-by-Step Guide to Get Started, Part 1. I am Wag, and I am thrilled to guide you through this journey of mastering Microsoft PowerPoint. I have divided today's tutorial into two sections, Section A and Section B. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Section A, Introduction to the PowerPoint Interface. 1. Ribbon and tabs. Let's kick things off with the ribbon interface at the top of your screen. Imagine this as your toolbox, divided into several tabs, each packed with different tools and commands. The key tabs you will use are Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View. Are you ready to explore? 2. Slides pane. Moving on to the left side of your screen, you'll see the Slides pane. This is your workspace for managing slides. Add, delete, and rearrange your slides with a simple right-click to see all your options. It is easy, right? 3. Slide area. Now, let's focus on the main area in the center. This is your canvas, where all the magic happens. Here, you will add text, images, and other elements to your slides. Ready to get creative? 4. Notes pane. Below your slide area, you'll find the Notes pane. Think of this as your secret area to jot down speaker notes and reminders for your presentation. A handy tool to keep you on track. 5. Status bar. At the bottom of your screen is the status bar. It provides quick info about your slide number, theme, and view options. Keep an eye on this bar for helpful hints and shortcuts. 6. View options. Finally, let's talk about view options. You can switch between different views like Normal, Slide Sorter, Reading, and Slideshow View using the buttons on the status bar. Experiment with these to find what works best for you. Now, we are done with section, so let's move on to Section B, Creating Presentations. 1. Starting a new presentation. Ready to create your first presentation? You can start with a blank slate or choose a template. Templates are a great way to kick off with a professional design right away. Let's dive in. 2. Design and layout principles. When designing your slides, remember, consistency is key. Use the same fonts and colors throughout your presentation to keep it visually appealing and professional. 3. Using themes and variants. Themes are your best friend for maintaining a cohesive look. Apply a theme and then tweak its variants to customize colors and styles to fit your brand or topic. Conclusion. That wraps up part 1 of our PowerPoint Mastery for Beginners tutorial. I hope you feel more comfortable navigating the interface and starting your presentations. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will dive deeper into advanced features and tips to make your presentations shine. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Tech Tutorial channel for more guides that are helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.